To add an iTunes gift card to your Apple Wallet, start by opening the App Store on your Apple device. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You will then be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. Next, enter the gift card code and tap Redeem. You can find the code on the back of the gift card, and it is usually covered with a scratch-off layer. Scratch off the layer to reveal the code and enter it carefully to avoid any mistakes. After entering the code, tap Redeem and the gift card balance will be added to your Apple ID account. To add the balance to your Apple Wallet, go to the Wallet app and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Select iTunes Pass and sign in with your Apple ID. Your iTunes gift card balance will now be available in the Wallet app, and you can use it to make purchases on the App Store, iTunes, and other Apple services. Make sure to keep your Apple device and Apple ID information up to date to ensure smooth transactions. It is also important to note that you can only add an iTunes gift card to your Apple Wallet on an Apple device, such as an iPhone or iPad. You cannot add the gift card to your Apple Wallet on a non-Apple device. By following these steps, you can easily add an iTunes gift card to your Apple Wallet and start making purchases with your gift card balance. Remember to always keep your Apple ID and device information secure to protect your gift card balance and other Apple account information.